Hey there, English enthusiasts. Welcome back to Learn English by Practice channel, your go-to channel for mastering English through captivating stories and practical tips. Today we have a special treat for you, a story title, story name. Get comfy, open your ears, and join us on this exciting journey. Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a girl named Emily. Emily was known for her curiosity and love for exploring new places. One sunny morning, she decided to go on an adventure to the famous enchanted forest, a place she had heard many stories about. Emily packed her backpack with some food, water, a map, and a flashlight. She told her parents about her plan, and they reminded her to be careful and return before sunset. With excitement bubbling inside her, Emily set off on her journey. The path to the enchanted forest was beautiful. Emily walked through fields of blooming flowers, crossed clear streams, and saw butterflies fluttering around. She hummed a cheerful tune as she walked, enjoying the sights and sounds of nature. After walking for a while, Emily reached the edge of the forest. The trees were tall and thick, their leaves creating a green canopy overhead. She took a deep breath and stepped into the forest. The air was cool and fresh, filled with the scent of pine and earth. As she walked deeper into the forest, Emily noticed how quiet it was. The only sounds were the rustling of leaves and the chirping of birds. She felt a sense of wonder and excitement. She had always dreamed of exploring this magical place. Suddenly, she heard a rustling sound behind her. Emily turned around and saw a small, fluffy rabbit peeking out from behind a bush. The rabbit had big, curious eyes and twitched its nose. Emily smiled and knelt down to get a closer look. "Hello, little rabbit," she said softly. "Are you here to explore the forest too?" The rabbit twitched its nose again and hopped closer to Emily. It seemed friendly and unafraid. Emily reached out her hand, and the rabbit nuzzled it gently. She giggled and petted the rabbit, feeling its soft fur. "Would you like to join me on my adventure?" Emily asked. The rabbit wiggled its ears as if it understood. It hopped alongside Emily as she continued her journey. They walked together, exploring the hidden corners of the forest. Emily found a sparkling stream where they stopped to drink some water. She also found a patch of wild strawberries, which they shared for a sweet snack. As they walked, Emily noticed a path that seemed less traveled. It was narrow and winding, leading deeper into the forest. Her curiosity got the better of her, and she decided to follow the path. The rabbit followed closely, its eyes wide with curiosity. The path led them to a clearing with a small, sparkling pond. The water was crystal clear, and Emily could see fish swimming beneath the surface. She sat by the pond and watched the fish, feeling a sense of peace. While she was resting, she heard a soft voice. "Welcome to the enchanted pond," the voice said. Emily looked around but saw no one. "Who said that?" she asked. "It's me, the guardian of the pond," the voice replied. "I am a spirit who protects this magical place." Emily was amazed. "I've never met a spirit before," she said. "What makes this pond so special?" The spirit explained, "This pond has magical properties. It grants wishes to those who are pure of heart. You have shown kindness and bravery, Emily. You may make a wish." Emily thought for a moment. She had everything she needed and was grateful for her life, but she knew what she wanted most. I wish for everyone to find happiness and kindness in their hearts, she said. The spirit smiled. A noble wish, Emily. Your wish will spread throughout the land, bringing joy to many. Emily felt a warm glow inside her. She thanked the spirit and promised to return to the enchanted forest one day. As she and the rabbit left the clearing, she felt a sense of accomplishment and happiness. The journey back home was filled with more adventures. Emily and the rabbit discovered hidden flowers, climbed rocks, and even found a secret cave. By the time they reached the edge of the forest, the sun was beginning to set. Emily waved goodbye to the rabbit and promised to visit again. She walked back to her village, feeling tired but happy. Her parents were waiting for her, and they were relieved to see her safe. Emily shared her adventure with her family, telling them about the magical pond and the kind spirit. Her parents were amazed and proud of her bravery. From that day on, Emily became known as the girl who visited the enchanted forest. She continued to explore new places and share her stories, inspiring others to be curious and kind. The village thrived with happiness and kindness, just as Emily had wished. And so Emily's adventure to the enchanted forest became a beloved tale, reminding everyone that kindness and bravery can lead to magical moments and unforgettable journeys. Wow, what an adventure! I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. If you found this story engaging and helpful for your English practice, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more amazing stories. Don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear your thoughts and suggestions, so drop a comment below. Keep practicing, stay with me, and see you next time on English Learning by Practice channel.